how are you? As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, I don't have specific information about the smartphone industry in 2024. However, I can provide some general trends and that were relevant up to my last update. Keep in mind that the actual development in 2024 may vary. By 2024, 5G technology is accepted to be
Hi everyone,
more
welcome to the first lecture.
widespread and
Home
future
care.
smartphones are likely to have improved 5G
Home care
capacity,
a comprehensive guide to ensuring comfort
faster
and
speed,
well-being
and more
in
widespread
recent years.
adoption of 5G
There
enabled
was been
application
a
and
growing
services.
on the
trend
importance of home
The
care
trend toward forward
as
and
a
flexible
as
display
available
technology in smartphones
and
may continue
preferred
to evolve.
option
Many
for
future and accepted to define and
individuals is
extend
need
their
of
offspring of
with their daily life,
foldable device,
whether it's
providing
due
user
to taking
with a unique for
Convenience.
the factory and enhanced
or disability, the desire to age
continuous
in place and
in
initiate
smartphone
independence
camera
and
technology
fueled
and
demand for
This
high quality
include
home care
ad-
services.
advancement in
This
sensory
comprehensive
technology,
guide explores
photography
the
and
various
possible
aspects
and
of home care
integrate of
from
more
its
advanced features
benefits
such as under
and
display
types to important
camera or improved
and
low
tips
light
for both
performance.
and recipients.
AI is likely to
Home
play
care
an
refers
role
to
in
a
smartphone
broad
affecting
range
various
of
aspects such as
supportive
photography,
services
voice,
provided at
assistant and
home
overall
to
user experience. And hence
individuals
our AI
who may need
capacities
assistance
may lead to more
with activities of
personalized
daily
and
living
intelligent
for those
international
who
device.
require specialized
Acceptation
medical care. The primary
Perceived
goal
with
of home care is to
advancement in
achieve
energy
the
density and
quality
charging
of life for
technologies like
individuals
solid-state batteries or
while promoting
other
independence
innovation
and
contributes
mentioning
to
their
lower battery
vision.
life and faster charging time. The integration of air and VR features in
Allows
smartphones may become more
individuals to age in
prevalent.
place,
These
preserve
could
familiar
improve
and
air applications
routines.
for gaming,
They load the specific
navigation and
needs, the
social
preferences of the
integration as well
individual,
as more impressive VR experience.
provides
There is
emotional
growing
support and
awareness of
companionship,
environment,
reducing
computer
feelings
and
of
smartphone.
isolation
Many
and
features may
loneliness.
contribute to
establish clear
Substitute.
communication
We include using more
with the care
eco-friendly
recipient
material
at
reducing
their family.
electronic waste
Regularly
and
update family members
environmentally
on
convenient
individual well-being,
in the
stay
manufacture
informed
process.
about individual medical
The
condition
competitive
and
landscape is
and
the
any
smartphone
specific
industry
our
will see
requirements.
based on market trend
Attend
and
relevant
preference
training
and with
program
geographical
to
factors. Key place may
skill.
continue to innovate and collaborate with other industries to
Prioritize
expand
personal
their
well-being
market
to
presence.
prevent